Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome Genexa, I think I'm saying that right, acetaminophen for kids. This is for kids aged 2 to 11. I really like this brand because it is free of any dyes, and I just feel really comfortable giving my 2-year-old son this medicine when he needs it. Their claim to fame is like medicine made clean, so they really value that and care about that, and I appreciate any company that is keeping my kiddo's best interest in mind. So I really like that this is available freely, and this is a blueberry flavor, but as you can see, it doesn't have any of the dyes or anything in it. You do have to shake it in order for it to like mix properly, but that's fine. And then the dosing is just like normal dosing for acetaminophen. So I definitely recommend this brand, and I think you should try it out, and that is my point of view.